What's up, guys? So I'm going to give some simple tips on how to keep your account from getting flagged on Craigslist. How to basically get blocked and banned from Craigslist. I've been placing ads on Craigslist pretty much since Craigslist started for a long time. Some real experience with Craigslist, and so to keep it simple, the trick is. Because Craigslist is just a phenomenal tool for advertising and getting business and leads from. To keep it simple, the trick is with Craigslist is not to get greedy. You don't want to be posting. I really try to keep it under 3 ads a day on Craigslist. And if you're posting like 10 plus ads a day, just going crazy, then you're gonna most likely get banned from Craigslist. So you can definitely post ads every single day on Craigslist, but just don't get greedy. Keep it 3 ads or less a day. Also have multiple different verified accounts on Craigslist. I have multiple different verified accounts. I have 3 different verified accounts through Craigslist. And every time I place an ad, if I place 3 ads in a day, I'll usually place one on each account, and I'll place them each in different sections in each different ads. Even if they're just slightly different, I'll do each different ads. And if you do get, if you do find where you're, every single time you're placing an ad on Craigslist, you're getting ghosted, your ads are getting flagged and removed, then the trick is just to wait a period of time. Allow your account to cool down. And Craigslist is really smart. Or if they figure you out on one account, they're gonna know your other email addresses. They're real. Even if you're doing it from different Wi-Fi's or whatever, they just got ways of figuring it out. So if you find that all your ads are getting flagged and removed on Craigslist, then just take off a week or maybe even a couple weeks. You might have to, in that situation, just do other different types of advertising, or even have someone else advertise for you on Craigslist under their account, their email, everything, different Wi-Fi. That way, you can get away with it until after a week or a couple weeks goes by and your accounts, cool down, and Craigslist allows you to get back on, and then you just stay under the radar. Just a couple ads every day, different ads, different accounts, and different sections, everything. That way, it doesn't look like you're getting greedy. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, I'll definitely put out some more tips about marketing on Craigslist. And until next time, have a great day, great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.